Hello kids, welcome to Kids Education with Fun. Dear kids, we are drawing 2D shapes. Let's start. Take your pencil and paper. So the first shape we are drawing is pentagon. Pentagon, 5 sides.
Let's draw pentagon. It's very easy to draw.
Star, this is a star. Circle. This is arrow. Let's color these 2D shapes. Sky blue color. This is pentagon, 5 sides. Violet color. Hexagon, 6 sides. Pink color. Pink color, heptagon. Dark green color. Dark green color, star. This is light green color. Green color, circle. This is purple color. Purple color, arrow. Let's revise. This is pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, star, circle, arrow. प्यारे बच्चों, आप भी इसी तरह वीडियो में प्रैक्टिस करें और 2D शेप्स ड्रा करें. See you in the next video. Bye bye.